American Airlines today published fares for flights from Miami to the Fleming Airport in Boscobel. Now, residents of St. Mary and other stakeholders have welcomed the news that commercial flights will be coming to the airport from cities in the USA and potentially Canada. Dwayne Anderson has part 2 of this special report looking at the plans for the St. Mary-based facility.
Other airline carriers have signaled their intention to join American Airlines to take flights into the Fleming International Airport in St. Mary.
And whether or not we can partner with them to start flying from different gateways in the US as well as in Canada. So in short order, we will be seeing an addition of maybe 2 more airlines coming in.
The facility had for years been bleeding financially. A TVJ News Access to Information ATI request in 2017 revealed that it was costing taxpayers $380 million to operate the airport, but earnings totaled $33.5 million. Residents and tourism-dependent workers in and around Boscobel, St. Mary have welcomed the news of the boost in flights. Pointing to the scarcity of jobs, they are particularly optimistic about earning opportunities.
I'm willing to taxi about this place, so man will get work same way if you transport them from here to there same way.
Clyde Becker is a Juta bus driver. He shared that visitors do not enjoy the commute to Ocho St. Anne from Sangster International Airport and Norman Manley International Airport.
Also for me as a driver, shorter journey. Because the journey from Montego Bay to here in Boscobel is actually like 2 hour stops. So say right here, so it's going to be like 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, right? So I think it will be a good gesture, and I think we're looking forward to see that.
But at least one resident is hoping that the increased commercial flights does not become a scheme that only benefits large-scale hoteliers.
Then I sleep on the water, on a windsurf board. I sell them craft in the water. Then send Coast Guard for them. Me, I want them, Because Coast Guard come from me, helicopter come from me, But what am I going to do for make $1? I'm not going to kick out the door and take away one down. Because the rich man get everything. The hotel itself said the tourist man walk on the street because they're spending one money into the hotel. So how we get anything out of the tourists them? St. Mary's is a nice community. You know what, you don't rob and not even go on there. I've been here from Playboy days. See, nothing now going like that. So why do I hold back the tourists them for them to come out and spend their money with the local people them? That's not right.
Which is why residents are suggesting town hall meetings so that stakeholders are informed of the plans so that they can all benefit. Also of note is that the airport is being marketed as being located in Ocho Rios. The tourism minister says this is not an indication St. Mary residents will be left out.
And some people are a little unhappy that we say Ocho Rios and not say Boscobel or so. And this is a marketing matter, It's that the market knows Ocho Rios. And you will fly to Ocho Rios, but Boscobel. And we travel all over the world, so we know airports are named in relation to branded centers. And they benefit from it. So to our people in St. Mary, who I read in the social media, who are not so happy that we know the geography, don't worry about it. We're happy for you, and we want you to know that the benefit to Boscobel and its environment is going to be there and strong.
The commercial flights are slated to begin in November. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.